Hello guys, welcome to another episode. Probably you guys thought that this week there won't be an episode. We have an episode. Anyway, regardless, it's a journey. Ndo tunaienda. So, it's actually been a very exciting week for me, especially being my birthday week and not having gotten Android 12 yet. It's kind of tough for me because I expected to get the Android 12 on my Samsung A51 in November, just like I always get these updates, Then suddenly these guys have decided that they're going to give Samsung A51 an update. Android 12 is a big deal, of course, for Android phones and Android brands. So they've decided that the Samsung A51 is going to get an update in April next year. That's quite a long time for me. I'm actually contemplating getting a Pixel 6, which is kind of very expensive for me right now because I've just invested in all this, and yeah. Actually been a very tough week for me. I had actually posted and tweeted and said that if I do not get Android 12 before 29th of November, I was not going to throw a birthday party. It came and it passed. I've not thrown any party for my birthday. Since it's just been a very tough week, I expected my music experience, because music is what keeps me going, especially Nyashinsky. Keep jogging, yeah. So I expected my music experience to be splendid, like get into the house, turn on the speakers, boom, boom, boom. But then my neighbors have been complaining about the speakers that I have, so I had to get something else to substitute the speakers. So previously I was using QCT QTY earbuds. So somebody picked them and left with them. I was forced to actually go and get earphones for the first time in like 2 years. These are the earphones I got. These are the earphones that I got. This is Oppo. The actual earphones that I got, this is Oppo. They're actually too entangled. The wire is kind of long, I think 1 meter, then some more centimeters up here, about 30 more centimeters, so that's 1.3 meters. I expected this experience to be kind of awesome because they look like you remember the last kind of earphones that iPhone had before they changed to AirPod. So yeah, so I got these ones. They were kind of cool, like you'd have them on and you would not even feel anything else, and you will not even feel them being that heavy, because I'm used to the earbuds, and earbuds are kind of heavy. You would feel them, you'd feel like you have something on your ears, and it's like you're carrying a bag on your ears. These ones, I bought them, and after one day, I was tired of them. Guess why? The fact that I was conscious that I have a wire cable just running down to my pocket. Yeah, so this is the casing that comes with the Redmi Mi AirDot 2. Actually, the whole container was written actually in Chinese, so I kind of couldn't read anything on the box. So that explains why it was the only one left in the shop. At the shop, I mean. So this is how it looks inside. You just place the buds inside here, and it's magnetic, just like most other buds. So it looks kind of sleek, and then once you put it, it has this satisfying kind of magnetic pull. Very satisfying. This sound is, So yeah, so I got this, and I expected my experience to actually be better, because considering the QTY earbuds that I had before, that's a brand I actually hadn't known about until I wanted to get earbuds. They were actually gifted to me. I didn't really buy them. They were actually gifted to me, and once I got Xiaomi, because I used the Xiaomi band. I have not used a Xiaomi phone as a personal phone for forever, so I've mostly used Samsung. So I expected these ones to be the thing for me. Now they are not the thing. First, they do not come with a cable to charge the box. So these guys have just assumed that we all use phones that use USB type B, and they've given us this without a cable. So you have to go and spend more money to get a cable for this. Now, the experience that you're going to get, the sound from this, it's actually the most pathetic you can ever get from buds. And I've used pathetic buds before, but this beat them all. Let me just play a music for you. Let me just play a song for you guys. I certainly believe that you guys can hear the song. Right? You guys can clearly hear the song. That is Nyashinsky's properly. You guys can clearly hear it. Now, for birds, I believe that you're not like supposed to hear that much music at a distance from the birds. It's just supposed to be contained just here. Now, this comes with some rubbers, about 3 pairs of rubbers, including the ones that are already on. But the experience for me has not been that good. So what really happens with these ones is that once you have them on, they fit perfectly actually. The bass is not there, so for the first time since I got my phone, I've had actually to go to the equalizer of the music play, because currently I'm using Deezer. So I've actually had to go to the equalizer and like boost the bass for me to be able to enjoy music. And music is a big deal for me, because working on social media and everything, you need this kind of inspirational. And working from home and the home office, you just don't need to make noise for the neighbors from, you know, like even late at night. So I got this. And then the experience is so pathetic that I even contemplated going back to the earphones, but no, I'm not going back there. So the budget for me this month was not even to buy earbuds. Now, since I got this, I'll have to deal with them till the end of February, because we all know about January. So unlike the other buds and earphones, once you double click this one, nothing happens. Like the song just pauses and then comes back to play from wherever it is, so it doesn't like go to next. Yeah, so it just pauses and plays next. So I don't know whether these are still in the market, in the Kenyan market, but if they are there, I will really discourage you from getting them. That's it from me. Just don't get this. Go get something else, but not this. Spend 3,000, spend around 5,000, 7,000, 8,000 on buds that you actually will enjoy using. Otherwise, I think I'm just going to keep playing my loud music, and then neighbors will just have to deal with it. Thank you so much guys for like watching this episode. Just like, comment and subscribe. Go get earbuds, stop using earphones, they're outdated. Come on. Thanks.